friends, welcome to your next math lesson. We are still on topic 11. Today is 11-2. We're going to count to 50 using patterns. So first things first, friends, we have a chart of numbers here and we need to fill in the missing ones. So I'm going to use the color green. Can you tell me with your words what number is missing here? Number 1. Good work, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's missing? 5. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check. Oh, before I forget, friends, after we do this chart, you're going to need a piece of paper and pencil, so make sure you have that, okay? All right, friends, let's continue. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Uh-oh, we know there's an 8 here, but what goes in the tens place here, friends? What's going to go in the tens place here? A 1, right? We know that the 1 actually represents a 10 because it's 18. We have 10 ones and some more ones, 10 ones and 8 ones, 19, 20. We're going to stop right there for right now. And I'm going to grab, oops, I need a crayon. Well, you know what? We'll just use yellow. Okay, friends, now we're going to take a look at the chart. Can you find the column, okay, remember column is up and down, where it has, wait a second, hold your horses, friends, I'm reading the book as we're doing the lesson, so patience, please. Psh, Miss Nielsen made a mistake as usual. Friends, can you tell me which column, which row of numbers has a 2 in the tens place? So friends, columns are up and down, but rows are left to right, okay? So this is, sorry friends, this is columns, this is rows, okay? So columns, rows. Which row has all 2's in the tens place? All 2's in the tens place. Do you see a 2 in this tens place? No. Do you see a 2 in this tens place? No. Do you see a 2 in this tens place? Yeah. And if we see a 2 here, do we see a 2 here? And here, and here, and here, and here, and here? Uh-oh. Not here, but we know it's a pattern that there are 2's in the tens place, so we know that we're going to fill in a 2 here. What number did we make? 28. Good job, friends. There's a 2 here, and then it stops right there. So, friends, we are going to color in that row. Ta-da! Wow, this chart has so many marks on it. Okay, friends. The next thing that we're going to do, we are going to find number 32, and we're going to put a big X on it. Can you find number 32? I'm going to give you a second to see if you can find it. So I know that we can count on from 30 because we've already counted up to 30 plenty of times. So 30, 31, 32. Here it is. So I'm going to X it out. Boom. The next number you're going to find, friends, is number 44. Can you find number 44? Let's see, let's count on. We knew this was 32, so let's count on and see if we can find it. Ready? 33, 34. Uh-oh. We're missing some numbers. But does 34 come right after? Or does 44 come right after 34? No, so we know it's not going to be any of these numbers. 39, 40. Hey! 44 has a 4 in the tens place. So you know what, friends? I can tell it's going to be after this number. Does it say 44? No. 41, 42, 43, 44. X it out. Okay, friends, now we're gonna look at the column, the green column. It's hard for you to see. I don't wanna move it too far. But friends, this is a green column here. I've colored it in very lightly. And it's missing some numbers in the tens place. What number are they missing? We know we have 0, 1, 2, what comes here? A 3. That's right, friends, 3. To make what number? 38. What about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. To make what number? 48. Very good. Friends, what pattern do you notice there? What pattern do you notice in the green column? Kind of gave it away as I was counting, didn't I? What do you notice about the numbers in the ones place? It stays the same, right? It stays number 8. But then what happens here? It goes up. So in the green row, friends, what stays the same? The 8 or the ones place. Very good. Okay, friends. Now, I'm going to have you look at the blue spots, and we're going to see if we can figure out what numbers are missing. Ready? Let's start with 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. What comes next? 35. What about here? 36. And what comes next? 37. Good job, friends. Okay, there are a lot of different things to notice here, right? We noticed that the ones place in the columns stays the same, right? We noticed the tens place in the rows don't change, right? We also noticed, and this one was kind of cool, in the tens place in each of the columns, the tens place goes up. Lots of different patterns. Okay, friends, now you need your paper and pencil, please. Paper and pencil. We're going to draw our own chart, and it's going to be a little bigger than the ones that we did yesterday. Okay, so we have to make sure we squeeze all those numbers in. So you're going to draw a line down and a longer line across, line down, a long line across. So you should have a very large rectangle. Okay, now we're going to split it into 5 layers. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. It's going to be 5. Let's make sure it's 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now we're going to make 10 columns. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, mine are uneven. That's cool. Okay, friends, now you're going to do as I do. I'm going to grab my green marker, and you're going to write all of the numbers that I write, okay? Here we go. Skip, 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 and skip. Okay, make sure you're with me so far. Skip, skip, skip. All right, friends, here we go. And skip. Okay, are you with me? I hope so. Here we go. I need to squeeze that one in there. And skip. Okay, friends, let me scoot this back so you can see the directions. By yourself, and you're gonna wanna pause, oops. You're gonna wanna pause on this video after I'm done reading it so that you can, so after I'm done reading the directions so that you can follow along on your paper, okay? Okay, so number 1, write the missing numbers. Notice there are numbers missing in the chart, okay? You need to make sure you find all of them. You don't have to circle them right now. So you need to find those and tell me what numbers those are. Then you're going to color the boxes that have a 4 in the tens place. Think about the ones place and the tens place. You're going to color the boxes that have a 4 in the tens place. You're going to X out numbers 35, 36, 41, 48. Okay, when you finish this work, have mom and dad send me a picture so I can see how you're doing, okay? I'm really proud of you friends. You're doing a great job. See you later.